who had delivered longest ever speech in United Nations Security Council, V.K. Krishna Menon. RBI was set up on the recommendation of which commission? Hilton Young. Famous environmentalist Sundarlal Bahuguna is associated with which movement? Chipko. Operation Blood is a movement related with the product milk. Who is who is known as the father of Indian Green Revolution? M.S. Swaminathan. World's first granite temple was built in India. Find the which one? Brihadiswarar Temple. The blue P of P was first calculated by the Indian mathematic Budhyana. The Mussalman India's only handwritten newspaper is published from Chennai. The first Indian newspaper to offer an online edition on internet, The Hindu. Animals without backbones are known as invertebrates. Which two animals can see behind them without moving their head? Parrot and rabbit. Name the most outer layer of our Earth, crust. Which visible line divides our Earth into two halves? Equator. How many bones are the in the axial part of skeleton? 80 bones. 2 spoons of sugar dissolved in the glass of water makes a solution. What do we call the lower part of our Earth? Southern hemisphere. Which pigment determines the color of the human skin? Melanin. Name the person who discovered human cell. Robert Hooke. REM stands for rapid eye movement. Where is the smallest bone present in the human body? Middle ear. Which side of brain controls the left side of the human body? Right side. Name the hot liquid rock surface under the earth. Magma. Name the volcanic rock which can float in water. Pumice. Which planet is nicknamed as the red planet? Mars. Which is the longest river on the earth? Nile River. A human skeleton is divided into parts. One is the axial skeleton and the other is appendicular skeleton part. Which part of the human body forms the skeletal system but is not a bone? Teeth. Name the softest mineral found on the earth. Talc. Our Milky Way has the shape of which food snack? Tough nut. At what time the pill bugs are most active? At night. Name the mineral necessary for our bones. Calcium. At the time of birth, a human skeleton consists of how many bones? 300. Quicksilver is the other name of which element? Mercury. The animals which eat meat are known as carnivorous. The animals which feed on plants are herbivorous. How many times does human hummingbird beat its wing in a second? 80 times. Which element is responsible for blue body syndrome? Nitrate. Which element is essential for the transmission of impulses in the nerve fiber? Calcium. Which element has 2 electrons in the K cell only? Helium. Which element has the lowest electron affinity? Argon.